Hello and welcome everybody, and in today's episode we have another Carrera mountain bike here, aluminium frame with front suspension in very sorry state. This is medium range bike, actually it was, and that's what is left of it. The issue with the bike is it's 27.5 inches wheels, so it is in between. It's not 29 or it's not 26, and that's what's caused the problem, because those wheels, they are costly and they are, well, not present here. So basically, to bring this bike to life, we need two wheels, drivetrain, set of tires and inner tube. The rest of them you can source from second-hand parts, but that's the main issue. As you can see, the bike is not very old, but is completely destroyed. Bad things happened for this bike from the beginning. First of all, somebody chose the bike with wheels which were 27.5, and as you know, they are not very good. Yeah. The main damage in this bike is drivetrain, and we're gonna be investigated why it's happened. There is few way how the drivetrain might be damaged like that, but also, as you can see in the front, there is lots of part missing. Handlebar grips, cable doesn't exist, and look at this guy. How crazy you have to be, or stupid, to damage brake lever in that way. Well, it is what it is. Also, seat push clamp is absent, and complete cable system doesn't exist. Front suspension is still fixable, but is far away from perfect. The bike, as most of the bike, was equipped in today's time with disc brake, which one they are really crap and they not survive long. Look at the rear one, is just completely loose. Of course, bicycle is filthy, like never see the cleaning rag or washing or anything like it. Saddle is damaged too. So, need lots of parts. I'm thinking about this bike, how to sort it out, but the main issue is the wheels. Rest of the parts I have like a second hand from other bikes. So this bike has to be a little bit waiting until I source the wheels, or I can build them from the scratch, but again you have to buy sprockets, rims, and lace it everything and build up together. That one takes lots of time and investment. So like I'm saying, I have to waiting until right size wheels come across. What's my opinion about this bike? It's not the best choice for that sort of money, because the price for this bike was between 250, 300 pounds, maybe even more. And as you see, as a life proof, this bike didn't survive much. It looks like some crazy teenager used it for some time and just completely smashed it and damaged. I tried to show you guys what's happened here with rear mag, and let's investigate together why it's happened. As you can see in the video, the rear mag is completely smashed. The cages here is just damaged, and the rest of the rear mag is here. Basically, everything what could be worse for the bike, it's happened. As you can see, rear mech hanger is bent as well, and I don't know, it's because it's made from aluminium. If I bend it back, it might be snap. But fortunately I've got replacement for Carrera, so maybe I just replace for another second hand and that solved the problem. But rear mech is of course beyond repair. Why it's happened? Why they have situation like this? There might be a few reasons. First of all, maybe this bolt, which one is here, is getting loose from the beginning of when you're cycling, and the rear mech hanger is moving. As a result, you don't have alignment, and rear mech cage, which one is here, when you're shifting, is going too close to the rear sprocket, catching the sprocket, and that's what's happened. That's the first option. Second option, which one is quite common, rear mech is not adjusted properly. You have two bolts here, which one regulated reach from how high it's going or too high low, and if it's not regulated properly, too high or too low, the same situation is happening. So the rear mech cage is going too close to the sprockets and was catching by the wheel and damaged the whole mechanism. Or if it's going here too close to the frame, it's jamming between the last sprocket and frame hook, and the same thing happened. So this is second reason. Third reason provide the same result, but this happened when you drop the bike on the drivetrain sign and you bend the rear mech cage. It's not stretched, it's not aligned, it's going like onto the angle, and again when you're shifting, the rear mech was catched by wheel and smash everything into the pieces like you see now. So if you want to fix this damage in a workshop, it will cost you fortune beyond anything which one this bike is worth it. But if you do it yourself, you can sort it out with reasonable money if you have second-hand parts access to. So to sort it out, when you need a rear mech hanger from Carrera, which one new one might cost €10, £10. Rear mech driller, which one will be with price something between around £20 with 8-speed setup. And that the bicycle need seat post clamp because it's missing here, but that one is like £2 purchase, and it's slightly loose on the bottom bracket. As you can see, you can check that one moving the crack set on the side. It's like a 1-2 millimeters loose. It's still acceptable, but you're gonna be feel when you adjust front mech when it's moving on the crankset. So yeah. Anyway, I was absent from the YouTube for a little bit because I was not feeling well, and I was recovered now. So now it's better. I feel slightly better, so maybe I try to put more videos for you guys. Special thanks for all my new subscribers. There is slightly influx new people on the channel, which one I really appreciated. Your presence on my channel is much appreciated by me. Like I said, I'm one person only. I don't have any sponsors, and I do it that one from ecologic reason. This is my participation in a way how to save the planet. I just know the bikes and I know how to fix them and work on them, and that's the result. Yeah, there is a new feature. If you fancy put some participation on the channel, there is a buy me a coffee down there link, so feel free if you like it. Please like and share this video, and see you soon with the next project. At the moment with this Carrera I have to think about the wheels first of all, and clean the frame bike and separate the parts, so that one will be really boring. Yeah, please like, subscribe and support the channel, because this is green channel. Thank you very much guys, see you soon and happy cycling.